Hi guys, Rolls-Royce just announced the next coach-built Rolls-Royce boat tail. It was commissioned by a customer whose family business has grown from his father's origins in the pearling industry. The new boat tail is a homage to his father and family heritage, and it features a unique exterior finish and interior detailing inspired by mother of pearl. As you know, each boat tail is entirely hand-built with the body panels fashioned from vast single sheets of aluminum to create the distinctive outline inspired by the racing yachts of the early 20th century. Regarding the new car, the foundation of the color is a shimmering blend of oyster and soft rose with large white and bronze mica flakes, adding a unique pearlescent quality that changes subtly under different light conditions. The contrasting cognac color bonnet, created specially for this boat tail, contains fine bronze and gold colored aluminum mica flakes, complete with a layer of crystal and ice matte clear coat, adding significant warmth and depth to the car's appearance. From the front, the Pantheon grille, milled from a single solid billet of aluminum, is graced with a spirit of ecstasy fashioned in rose gold. The interior is a beautifully curated combination of perfectly matched cognac and oyster-colored leathers and royal walnut veneer with rose gold and mother-of-pearl accent throughout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a timepiece made from mother-of-pearl, chosen and supplied by the client from his own collection. Rolls-Royce didn't provide details on the powertrain, but we assume that it features the well-known 6.7-liter V12 engine making 600 horsepower. The price is unknown, but probably it is close to $30 million. Guys, if you like this masterpiece, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks.